respected President. Koridang is all about people. Council Chairman Daochier and Koridang. My most respected DLP leader and our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mangmetong. Respected respected Honorable Minister, respected Advisor, and my respected President, Shri Benjamin. I thank you all for your time, despite your busy schedule. Your presence here today gives us new strength and determination to work harder to ensure that the PDA Alliance wins this 2026 by-election. All the rank and file of MPF and BJP party workers, led by the presidents of both the parties, I thank you all and all the well wishes. It's an auspicious day, and I thank God for this day. I want to keep my message very short. I want to make a special mention to thank the leadership under our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Nifiru, and our Honorable Deputy CM, Shri Mangmetong. Your constant guidance and support throughout this campaign has been alive, has given us a fresh life to work with more zeal and with more determination. I want to give just one message, that your presence here today, I wish my late father would have seen.
Yes, go on. That's good. Come on. That's good. Yeah. Boy, come on.
I believe I speak on behalf of the people of Mangmetong and the people of Koridang, that this coming by-election, we will ensure that the PDA Alliance wins with a decisive and a thumping majority. I thank you.